How to import preset in Lightroom Classic. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to Lightroom. Log into your account. After you land in this page, first simply select an image. And go to presets. You will have to get the Lightroom Premium in order to get presets, but as you can see, without getting presets you will not be able without getting premium you will not be able to get presets. So simply get the premium version of Lightroom and you will be able to add or import presets easily. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.